Hello and thanks for joining me. Well, a while back I made this die holder. Holds a die and it's for threading a rod on your lathe. That goes in your tailstock and this follows the rod. Anyway, that's not an adjustable die right there. And it's a small die, so I got to build a new one. And instead of 2 holes, it'll have 3 holes. 3 set screws. This indexing wheel, I built it for my Logan lathe. It works great. Pretty elaborate, time-consuming project. But all I need is 3 holes. So I came up with a really quick and easy way to index 3 holes, and I think you'll be surprised. Anyway, let's get on with it. That's pretty good. Oh, that's not good. I got in a little bit of a hurry there making this thing, but it'll work. Just re-glue that. Okay, you got to download an app on your phone. There's several of them. Protractor app. Very accurate. Surprisingly accurate. When you make this thing, make sure you can clamp on some place where there's no buttons. It's pretty firm in there, as long as that glue doesn't break. Okay, here's why you might need some way to index your spindle. I made a video on this a while back. It's a tool post drill. If I wanted to drill a hole in there, this is kind of a flimsy setup. That should be laying on top of the compound and be a more substantial bar. It's got some flex to it. But you get the idea. I made this out of a boring bar holder. I'll put the link in the description area underneath this video for the tool post drill video. Anyway, definitely be a good idea to unplug your lathe. But I got that set at 0. You don't want your cell phone slinging somewhere. I'm not going to drill it completely, but I got a center drill in there. Of course, you'd have to change and put whatever size bit you want in there. Now, if I want to drill a hole opposite of that, I just come over here and it's sitting on 0 still. There it is, 0. And then I can drill the hole opposite of that. Okay. You can see it pretty good now. And I found it to be extremely accurate. You can go just get it close to 0, or you can make any spot 0. Make that 0 right there. Okay, that's 0. I want to move to 45 degrees. There you go. Now I can drill a hole 45 degrees from where I was. Just download an app. Some of them have a lot of advertisements. This one here is pretty good. Anyway, that's a really useful device occasionally. And that's about it. Thanks for joining me, and be sure and subscribe.